B2B Cambodia, the portal for business use in Cambodia.
Welcome to an episode of B2B Cambodia's Industry Update. In this episode, we'll be discussing the cloud services industry with Mr. Sergei Zubkov, General Manager at Daun Penh Data Centre. Hi Sergei, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today about Cambodia's growing cloud services industry. It's a pleasure to speak with you.
Thank you, you're welcome.
So could you please start off by giving us a brief overview about the cloud services industry in Cambodia? What is driving the main demand and interest here in the market, and which businesses are also maybe showing the most demand?
So about cloud services, interesting thing that it's a vertical business. It is in demand from individuals, just private person like me and you, then startups and micro enterprises and medium enterprise and large enterprise, and even government in need of cloud services. Nowadays, you cannot run any business without touching this part. Someone needs web hosting or server to run backend for mobile app or website or I don't know, HR system, accounting system. So actually, the whole business in Cambodia is demanding this. Just the question what they're using. Some of them using foreign providers, and we are promoting it as a first Cambodian cloud provider, cloud service provider.
And the clients for DP Cloud, are they primarily Cambodian businesses, or can you share a little bit about that, and also a little bit also on the statistics on the uptake of cloud services in Cambodia?
Mostly our clients are Cambodian companies, because for Cambodian companies we provide most of benefits. Like internet connectivity is much faster for Cambodian enterprises here, because our servers also located in Cambodia as well. The next thing is pricing, as we are cheaper, much cheaper than the other providers, and also when buying services from us, companies don't have to pay withholding tax. They will pay only VAT, and VAT they can claim back later or use. So yeah, this is mostly for Cambodian enterprise, but surprisingly we got also some clients from abroad as well.
Can you share a little bit about the laws and regulations that are currently in place about cloud services in Cambodia? And can you also explain whether you think the current laws and regulations support the industry more?
There are no specific regulation for cloud service providers in Cambodia, but there are some regulations which are touching this and related to cloud services. Royal Government of Cambodia is preparing data privacy law and data residency law. Both of them government preparing to protect the interest of citizens and businesses. So being a cloud service provider hosted in Cambodia, we are ready for those upcoming law. Our servers physically here, equipment here. The data, customer data is also will be resided in Cambodia inside.
And if we look more broadly at the Mekong region and also the even broader ASEAN region, where are the biggest data centers and cloud sort of services hubs located? Which countries are kind of like standing out in the region? And do you think that maybe Cambodia could one day compete with these countries?
In the region, it is in Thailand, they have large data centers and companies who provide similar services. But mostly market is Cambodian market specifically conquered by large players like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and they don't have any physical presence in Cambodia like service, but the main hub in Singapore. Yes, we can mention also about AI. Cambodia so far cannot compete and offer anything related to AI by itself, because it requires special design data center and it's huge investment. So for AI, it's still customer can still rely on big players.
So what do you think that maybe Cambodia can do to compete with these other countries and perhaps attract similar investments to the country as well?
To attract companies come to Cambodia and make an AI project or something, then need support from government and government institutions to make attractive conditions for foreign companies to come. That's first, and second, need also involvement and support and partnership from local tycoons, local groups, because such enterprises usually done by international company coming with in partnership with a local company. Like just recently, for example, in South Korea, they announced a large project. They start building a large data center for AI, in park for AI, and investment is $10 billion and 5 years long. So such project cannot be done without involvement of government and support of government.
In terms of the development of the domestic cloud services industry, what can Cambodia do to see its further expansion?
According to available data, about 25% of Cambodian enterprises have adopted cloud services. The adoption rate is still not as high as the neighbor countries in the region like Singapore or the other countries. Yes, sure, there is room to grow. Yes, we need just more awareness about players such as B2B Cloud, that we are here and our services is actually in the same level as the international providers. We have local support, Khmer speaking, English speaking. We have direct support as well. So there is a good momentum in building up cloud services in Cambodia and promoting it. Almost no one is buying their own servers or equipment to place in the office. Everyone is moved to cloud already.
Right.
And if you are a Cambodian enterprise, why you need to buy from outside? Because anyway, the data connectivity will be slower. The data will go outside to Singapore and back, but we are here. So for your customers, they will notice you are much faster if you host here in Cambodia in the cloud. There is high potential. It steadily it will grow year by year. Yes.
Thank you so much, Sergei, for speaking with us today and sharing us your insights on the growing cloud services industry here in Cambodia.
Yes, thank you very much.
Join us next time as we continue to bring you more news, updates, and developments from the business community in the Kingdom of Cambodia.